All right, so here Nikeeta and I are at the Marquee Dayclub in Vegas. It is September 11th, 2020. As you can see in the background, not that many people in the pool. It's VIP only. You have to get reservations. There's no DJ playing up there, as you can see. It's just like a house mix playing, like off of somebody's phone, pretty much. But the weather is nice over here. We are having a good time. I just had two delicious meals. I had the spicy tuna sushi, and I had a lobster roll sandwich, and it was very good. Like a lobster club sandwich or something like that. Very, very good. So what we did pretty much was we had a prepaid package for our VIP, and that goes towards the food. The food and the drinks goes towards it, which is really, really nice. As far as mask goes, you do not have to, and they're going to tell you this before you enter, you do not have to wear your mask in your VIP section. You do not have to wear the mask in the pool, but you do have to wear the mask while you are walking to and from the pool. And there is only one way in the pool, which is on the other side of the pool back there, and the exit is right behind Nikeeta over here. So yeah, we have a VIP section right next to the exit of the pool, so we cannot enter the pool right behind Nikeeta. When we want to enter the pool, we have to walk to the other side all the way over there, and then we have to exit this pool. When you walk to the other side, you need a mask. Then you gotta swim across the pool, come back to this side, and put the mask down, because you don't need to wear the mask in the pool. That's pretty much how it works. This is how the Marquee, and I guess all the day clubs in Vegas are doing it during COVID, correct? Correct. It is a fun time though, regardless, I'm not gonna lie. Very, very fun. The weather is beautiful, the pool feels great, the drinks are kicking, the food is delicious, and that is it. All right, so a couple hours went by, and the pool is starting to fill out a little bit more. It's getting lit in here. A lot of the VIPs are getting taken up. A lot of the VIPs are getting taken up. They're getting filled up and whatnot. We got a perfect view from where we are. If you get a VIP, make sure you come when it opens, because they hook you up with the best spots available.
Yes, come early.
Her music just came on, so now she get lit, you know. Hey! I got the most lit table here. I got the most lit table here. So, the Marquee was excellent. Let me tell you. The Marquee really exceeded my expectations, okay? At first, you know, we got there early, right when it opened, around 11 o'clock. They seated us right by the pool, very good seating. And then as the day went on, it started to fill up in there. Like every VIP was pretty much full eventually, right?
And what time we got? We got there like 15 minutes after it started.
Yeah, like 11:15.
11:15.
Okay? It was a Friday, and there was no DJ at first. They were just playing a house mix, but then eventually a DJ went on, and when the DJ went on, it really got bumping.
Yeah.
People were getting drunk. People were getting, you know, making friends with each other. It was really, really fun.
Yes.
They are on top of the whole mask situation, and one thing I will say is that they did not like people from different groups mixing, to be honest.
Yeah, if you didn't come together but you're mixing, they didn't like that.
They didn't like that. There were people doing it here and there, but
it was for good reason.
It was for good reason, but if it got a little
COVID.
too out of hand, they kind of was like, you know, just separate or whatever. But other than that, it was actually really, really fun. I really enjoyed the Marquee. It exceeded my expectation. For a day party during COVID, they really did a good job on trying to make everybody have a good time. Like, I really enjoy it, and I highly recommend the Marquee.